Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today I'm just going to be doing a mini reset like for my weekend as I start the week. So I decided to first organize these clothes because I washed yesterday. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So I'm trying to listen to some music as I do my chores. Lately guys, I've been trying to learn how to vlog because I'm just trying to get myself out of the comfort zone to get into this thing called vlogging. So I want you guys to come along on this journey with me. Today literally there is not a lot to do except the cleaning, but I first cleaned my room like you're watching. So after that, just cleaning the sitting room and the rest of the house. Meanwhile guys, I don't know, I'm just enjoying this thing called vlogging. I feel like I'm trying to document my life and it's such a fun thing for me to do. So guys, let me know in the comments what you think about the vlogging. I'm still going to continue with the makeup tutorials, but I really want to keep it real on my channel. I don't want to fake anything because this is literally me. So don't expect anything that is not me, because I always feel like it's better to be yourself. When you're yourself, I feel like you do a lot of impact onto others even when you don't realize it.
My beautiful man. Say hi.
Hi.
At times I feel like when I'm cleaning and also listening to a certain playlist in my phone, I feel like it's a better way of connecting. I don't know, just clearing out my mind. So guys, let me know how you ease your mind. Let me know what you think in the comments if you've come this far of the video. Just trying to organize my earrings and put them where they're supposed to, because at times when I'm done doing my makeup, I'm so tired that I don't try to organize them immediately. But when it comes to organizing the makeup, I do it immediately because I feel more organized, like I can just come back and do my makeup again other than leaving it disorganized. I made the chapati dough last night and I left it in the fridge, so that's why I'm adding more flour. So guys, this is something I love. I don't know why, but I just love doing it. So let me know in the comments, do you know how to make chapatis? And if you don't know, here's how you can learn. Though I did show you the part where I was making that dough. guys, these are the final chapatis we made. I made like 6, so I'm just going to have my breakfast. But I had my breakfast after buying groceries. I went down and bought some groceries. Yeah, and I'm watching some series.
A few moments later.
This is what I bought, and I'm trying to put it where it's supposed to be: the bread, the eggs. Today, guys, I really want to clean this window. It's something I wanted to do for a long time, so I have to make sure I clean it. Also clean the kitchen properly before anything else, because this is something I plan to do, so I had to make sure I accomplish it. So this is around like 5, guys. It's late, but anyway, regardless, we move. And one thing about me, if I plan to do something, when I wake up and I'm supposed to do it, I'll make sure I do it, plus other things I plan to do for the other week. So let me just mop this kitchen and also the veranda, and I'm going to call it a day. To have this for supper, and I'm going to call it a night. See you.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. It's another day to wake up and go and hustle. So today I'm heading to Wakiso, and I'm supposed to teach some ladies how to make shaggy carpets using threads. So I'm on my way, and I'm teaching about 2 groups, but there is a group of 17 and there is a group of 4. So I'm on my way. Yes, guys. So I prefer to reach earlier than the students. Since I come from far, I get like 2 taxis. So I'm already here at the first location. Meanwhile, these are some of the students from the first group. But I'm just passing by to show you how I'm looking. Fine girl. Outfit of the day. So don't mind the background. This is a class that they are using to learn how to make shoes, but these are some of my students, and this is what I'm teaching them. So guys, make your orders, and I only do this on orders since they take time. And also, if you want to learn, just let me know. And this is some of the work, but still we are continuing with the learning.
Two hours later.
I'm trying to teach someone how to do the crochet, but I wanted to show you guys how you do the boundary and how I do this. So this is the second group of the ladies I'm teaching. So most of the people completed their work, but I had to come and check on them. So guys, this is around 1 p.m. so when we are done, I'm just heading back home. But guys, let me know what you think about this vlog in the comments. So I'm just heading back home. See you in our next vlog. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe. See you.
I would like to get to know if it could be